Hey fam, let me ask you a question. Are you feeling stiff in your hips and shoulders? If this is you, in just 5 minutes, this energizing routine will loosen up those tight spots and improve your mobility. Perfect for starting your day or as a midday reset. All you need is a mat or soft surface and a little space to move. We'll flow through dynamic and static stretches to wake up your body, and I promise this will leave you feeling refreshed and ready for anything. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky. This is your cow stretch. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button toward your spine. This is your cat stretch. Let the movement be smooth and controlled, syncing with your breath. Each arch opens your chest and stretches your lower back, while each round releases tension along your spine. Feel your body finding its rhythm, like a gentle wave flowing in and out. One more round here before transitioning into a dynamic low lunge. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, with your left knee resting on the mat. Place your hands on either side of your front foot and begin to gently shift your hips forward and backward, feeling the stretch deepen with your hip flexors and hamstrings. Now raise your arms overhead and keep moving, feeling the stretch deepen with your hip flexors and hamstrings. Let the movement feel natural, like a pendulum swinging, building flexibility and releasing tightness. Switch sides now. Step your left foot forward and repeat the same dynamic motion. Breathe deeply, letting the stretch wake up your hips and legs. Finish with one last forward and back movement before moving into a semi-hula hoops. Come back to all fours. Imagine drawing a large semicircle with your hips as you shift them from left to right, forward and back. This movement is gentle yet effective, releasing tightness in your lower back, hips and pelvis. Feel free to exaggerate the motion slightly, letting your body move freely within its range. Breathe deeply as you explore the stretch. Change directions now, drawing the semicircle the opposite way. Let your body flow naturally, finding areas that need extra attention. One last slow, deliberate motion before we rise for the kneeling side angle stretch. Kneel with your right leg extended out to the side. Place your right hand on your extended leg and reach overhead, creating a long line from fingertips to your hip. Lean gently to the side, feeling the stretch along the side body and hips. Hold steady, breathing deeply as you lengthen through your side. Switch sides now. Extend your left leg, placing your left arm on your thigh, then reach your arm overhead. Feel the stretch along your ribs and hips as your body releases tension. Hold for one more breath before transitioning to a final stretch. Stand tall or stay kneeling and bring your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to gently pull your right arm closer to your body, feeling the stretch through your shoulder and upper back. Relax your shoulders away from your ears as you hold the stretch. Breathe deeply, letting the tension melt away from your shoulder. Switch sides now. Bring your left arm across your chest and use your right hand for support. Hold steady, feeling your shoulder release with each exhale. Take one last deep breath, letting your body feel open and relaxed. Awesome job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've unlocked your hips, loosened your shoulders, and energized your entire body. Save this routine for whenever you need a quick boost, or check out another session to keep building strength and flexibility. Stay mobile, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.